Good morning, students. How are you all? So, after an interval of time, again we are back with our studies for the final term. So, today we will start new topic of GK book class 7th. So, first we will start from page 52, famous women. Answers are written in your clues also. So, students, write the spelling from there. First is Hillary Clinton. She was the first lady as she was the wife of President Bill Clinton 1994 to 2001. Second, Cleopatra. She was the last pharaoh of Egypt. She was a woman of intelligence. Third, Anne Frank. She was a young Jewish girl in the Netherlands. She used to keep a diary during the time when she and her family were hiding from Nazis. Fourth, Joan of Arc, nicknamed the Maid of Orleans. She is the national heroine of France. Number 5, Rosa Parks. She was an African American civil rights activist whom the US Congress called the First Lady of Civil Rights and the mother of the freedom movement. Number 6, Emily Dickinson. She was an American poet who wrote hundreds of poems. So this is the first page, 52 famous women. Next, page number 53, cities of the world. Today we will start this topic. Number 1, Paris. It is located next to the Seine River. It is known as the City of Lights. Second, London. It is the most visited city in England due to its many famous attractions like Buckingham Palace, Big Ben, etc. Number 3, Bangkok. This city offers the tourist a wonderful mix of ancient and modern cultures. Number 4, Singapore. It is one of the cleanest cities in the world where it is illegal to even chew gum for fear that it might be tossed onto the sidewalk. Number 5, Kuala Lumpur. This city in Asia has developed into one of the most sought after tourist destinations. Last, number 6, Dubai. This city has undergone an extraordinary transformation in recent decades. So these are the name of the cities which are famous, and there are more than 3000 major cities of the world. So this is the topic related to the cities of the world. Next page, page number 54, famous places. There are many famous places in our country and around the world. Thousands of tourists visit these places every year. So now, according to the picture, write the spellings from the clues, students. First is Bali. This beautiful island in Indonesia, located at the extreme west of the Leisure Sunda Islands. Second, Angkor Wat Temple. Built in the early 11,000s, the temple represents one of the most advanced architectural achievements in relation to time. Number 3, Forbidden City. This imperial palace is located right in the heart of Beijing. Number 4, Bora Bora. This island is located within the Leeward Islands of the French Polynesia in the Pacific Ocean. Number 5, Potala Palace. This palace in Lhasa, Tibet was built by King Songtsen Gampo during the 7th century. Number 6, Terracotta. These were erected next to the Emperor Qin Shi Huang's burial site. Number 7, St. Peter's Basilica. It is one of the 4 basilicas that Rome has. It is located in the Vatican City, Italy. Last, Dead Sea. It also known as the Sea of Salt. It is a massive salt lake. So in this page number 54, students, it's related to the famous places where thousands of tourists used to visit. Next topic is page 55, Formula 1. The first motorsport event was held on July 23, 1894. As it is written in the up, you can see the race was from Paris to Rouen. Today it is one of the most popular sports in the world. So students, A part, it's a match the following one setters with their location. In the picture you can able to see that I have written the number as well as the spellings. So I will speak the numbers. Number 1, Marina Bay Street Circuit, D, Singapore, Fuji Speedway, Shizuoka, Japan, Fair Park, Dallas, United States, AY, US, Berlin, Germany, Andea, Casablanca, United Kingdom, Buddh International Circuit, Greater Noida, India, Entry, Liverpool, United Kingdom, Yes Marina Circuit, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, Pedralbes Circuit, Barcelona, Spain, Sepang International Circuit, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This is the A part. Then B, you have to put the tick on the correct option. First answer is A, Sauber. Second answer is C, Kiwi. Third answer is B, Brahman. Fourth answer is C, Ricciardo Patrese. Fifth answer is A, Footwork. And sixth is A, Minardi. So this page is related to the game, that the formula game which became the world famous sports. Next page is page number 56, indoor games. Students, as you all know and you can able to understand the topic, it's related to the indoor games which you also used to play. So first is Draughts. It is a group of abstract strategy board games between two players which involve diagonal moves of uniform game pieces. This is a game, Draughts. Second, Backgammon. It is one of the oldest board games for two players. The playing pieces are moved according to the roll of dice. Third, Snooker. It is a cue sport that is typically played on a table covered with a green cloth with pockets at each of the four corners and in the middle a long stick cushion. Number 5, Pachisi. It is played on a board in the shape of a cross, each arm being divided into 3 adjacent columns of 8 squares. These squares are called castles. Number 5, Bowling. It is a game in which a player rolls a bowling ball towards a target. You can able to see the picture also which already made in your book. This game is often played on the flat wooden surface. And the last is Squash. It is a racket sport played by 2 players or 4 players. So this page is related to the games. Next page, page number 57, sports terms. Students, in this there are few sports terms. They are related to the particular sport. So we have to write the name of the sports. Suppose for first one is photo finish, track, hurdles, lane. It's related to the hurdles. Second answer is billiards. Third answer is bridge. Fourth, cycling, as it is written sprint, track race, time trial, point race. Answer is cycling. 5, golf. 6, gymnastic. 7th, horse racing. 8th, judo. 9th, polo. And 10th is shooting. It's written bag, bullseye, plug, skeet. It's related to the shooting. So this page is related to the sports terms. The sports which are related to it. Students, I hope the topics are clear to all. Complete your books. Read the chapters and your spelling should be correct. Thank you.